And when the stream which overflowed the soul was passed away, a consciousness remained that it had left deposited upon the silent shore of memory images and precious thoughts that shall not die, and cannot be destroyed. Memories, images and precious thoughts that shall not die and cannot be destroyed. Sweet mercy, to the gates of heaven this minstrel lead, his sins forgiven, the rueful conflict, the heart riven with vain endeavour, and memory of thee just survives in heaven. I should dread to disfigure the beautiful ideal of the memories of illustrious persons with incongruous features, and to sully the imaginative purity of classical works with gross and trivial recollections.